Akaya. Oh God, is that word? Asia. Alex likes to eat that. What is it called? Asia. Happy video day, guys. So for today's video, what we have is my Boxyluxe unboxing. So I'm super excited because my Boxycharm came early this month. I know my video is not exactly that early, but that's because I didn't even get a shipping notification, so I had no idea that the box got here. I am so excited for this box. I did get Boxyluxe, like I said before, but this looks like it's going to be such an amazing box this month, and I am very honest with you guys when it comes to Boxycharm. Sometimes I'm like, yay, sometimes I'm like, and this time I'm just pretty shocked with how good this box is. So how I do my unboxings is I first show you guys everything in the box. Then after I show you guys everything in the box, then I go ahead and apply the items that I am going to keep on my face, and I show you guys how I came up with it. And I also give you guys what I'm thinking about the product while I show you guys me applying it. Obviously this is the final look, so yeah, I'm pretty excited, guys. We've got a lot of wins in this box. Let's go ahead and let's just jump into the box right now. I already demolished my box because I already put this stuff on my face. It's the only way I can get this video to not be extremely long. Guys, this box is huge, you know what I mean? Like, the Boxyluxe boxes are so big, but obviously mine is not beautiful right now because I already went through it. So the first thing I see in the box is this card right here. So this is the card of the theme, and also it tells you all the products that you got inside the box. And the theme this month was La Vie in Rose. And in the back, it does tell you every single one of the products that you got in the box, and I got style number 1. See right here in the corner, I did get style number 1. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys everything I got in the box. So the first item that I see here sticking out right in front of me is this product right here from IT Cosmetics, and it's the Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. It does say here it's developed with plastic surgeons. The Confidence in a Cream is your #1 anti-aging moisturizer, perfect for all skin types, and it retails for $48. So I actually did not try this product on today because since this is more of an anti-aging kind of cream, I like to use these type of products at night, and I also like to use skincare over time before I can even say for like to you guys if it works or not, because a one-time use, I can't really even tell you what it does. I'm gonna put it into my rotation so that I can start trying it out and let you guys know what I think. I do hear really good things about this product. A lot of people talk about it, so I'm super excited for this item. That feels like a good cream. It doesn't feel greasy, which I don't like greasy creams for the face, so I'm actually pretty excited to try this one. And the next thing I see is this right here. So this is a bag from Boxycharm. It's the Boxycharm Train Case. Just another perk of being a charmer. This exclusive Boxycharm Cosmetics case is not only extremely chic, but it's very spacious and perfect for the charmer who has to take their glam on the go. It retails for 20 bucks. Let's see what it looks like. I haven't opened this one. Ooh, okay, so I actually like this case. This is cute. Yeah. Okay, so this is a cute little case. Look at that. And it has like this rose gold, which is probably one of my favorite colors in the universe. Peach or rose gold is like my favorite. On the inside it says Boxycharm. This has a lot of space to it. If you guys can see, this is a nice little size bag. I like this. This is cute. Really cute. And this is all the items that we got in Boxyluxe. So as you guys can see how big this is. So the next thing that I see in here is another item that I am not going to try on. So these are Lily lashes. Now I know this is something that most people would be very excited for. Lily lashes are a more high-end brand of eyelashes. I personally don't wear fake eyelashes, so to me it's not like super exciting, but I do think it's a really good addition to the box, especially knowing that these are more expensive lashes. So it says Lily Lashes Exclusive Faux Mink Gala Lashes. So these add volume, length, and drama to your lashes with your new limited edition faux mink pair of Lily lashes. And it says that it's durable and you can wear it up to 20 times. They retail for $24.99. So yeah, you see they're pretty expensive lashes for the most part, but yeah, they look really pretty. I'm not 100% sure if I'll keep these because I don't tend to wear them at all. Like, even if I do dramatic eye looks and I'm like, maybe I should put on some fake lashes, I'm like, no, it's not gonna happen. So I think I might include this one in a future giveaway, so just be looking out for that. So the next thing that I see here is, ooh, cutie. Okay, so this one here is from Deborah Lippman. So these are actually 2 nail polishes. I really love the fact that Boxycharm is including nail polishes. This is something different. You know, it's fun to get a lot of makeup products, but I actually am somebody who wouldn't mind getting nail polishes because I don't usually paint my nails very often, like at all. So it's not like I have a huge nail polish collection. So I wouldn't mind getting like a few cool colors in here, kind of like maybe make a little nail polish collection. And if I ever decide to paint my nails, I'll be able to pick one. You know? So I actually didn't put these on my nails today because I have to wait for them to dry, and if I had to do my makeup and wait for my nail polish to dry, this video would never get filmed. And I'm gonna tell you guys, one thing I want to point out. Boxycharm and these brands did this box right this month because a lot of the colors that we got inside of these items, like for the lipsticks and even for the nail polishes, I feel are really wearable universal colors that a lot of people are really gonna like. And I feel like if you're a brand putting stuff in Boxycharm, you should aim for stuff that a lot of people are going to love because that's just gonna get your brand more recognition. These are the two colors and they are both beautiful neutral colors, and I think that they're absolutely stunning. This one here is called O'Donna and it has like glitter in it, but it's still like a natural like pinky tone, which is gonna be really great for the spring. And then this one here is kind of like a lilac-y pink, and it's called Modern Love, and I love them. I think they're beautiful. So let me read to you guys what it does say. The dual patented formula in your new Deborah Lippmann 2-piece sets lets you bring the nail salon home. The 10 active ingredients help deliver health, shine, and long wear to your nails, and they retail for $20. So these are minis. These aren't huge, but that's fine with me because they're absolutely stunning. So I love this product as well. I haven't tried it on my nails, but I mean, it's nail polish, you know, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like it. I'm not a nail connoisseur, so I'm not probably gonna be able to tell you guys if it's any better or any less than any other nail polishes out there, so I'm sure I'm gonna like it. Nails are not my forte, guys. Okay, so the next item here is from Wander Beauty. Okay, so this is actually a lift off purifying brightening peel off mask. So that is super, super, super neat. I actually really am excited for this product. I didn't use it today because, like I said, skincare, I don't like to use it one time and then say, oh, this was good. I'm not gonna be able to tell you guys if it's good or not. I just say it looks fine, you know, because skincare, you need to use it multiple times. I'm actually excited to try this out. It is a peel off mask, so I guess you would be able to feel like all your yuckiness coming out of your skin. I'm super excited for that. I like the stuff I've gotten so far in Boxycharm from them, especially those gold masks that we got. Oh my god, the eye masks, those are so good. It's from Wander Beauty. It's the Lift Off Purifying Brightening Peel Off Mask, and it says it contains a blend of skin-loving ingredients, and then it also says that this rose gold skin-saving peel-off mask dries quickly and peels off effortlessly. It retails for $34, so that is an expensive little product in here as well. So I'm excited to be trying this one out, and I'll let you guys know in a future video. Maybe if I do like a skincare type of video for you guys, I'll let you guys know how it worked. I think all the rest of the products I did try on. Yes, all the rest of the products I did try on. So first I'm going to show them to you and then I'll tell you guys how I used them. So the next one, guys, this was so cool. So this is from Cover FX. It's the Perfecting Face Palette. It says six must-have complexion essentials in one travel-friendly palette. It's talc-free formula, and it says it has seamless blending. It retails for $45. So this palette right here is $45. Guys, we pay 50 bucks for this Boxyluxe. What's Boxyluxe? We pay $49.99, I think it is, so 50 bucks for Boxyluxe, and this is $45. So this one product alone is like almost the entire box. That's why Boxyluxe is such a good value so far. This is my second Boxyluxe, and so far I'm super stoked with the stuff I've gotten. But yeah, this is such a cool face palette, and look at the inside, guys. This is so beautiful. I kind of really like this. It's really, really pretty. I will show you guys me applying it, and you guys will see, but yeah. So then we have this other really cool product. I put this on today as well. So this is the Iconic London Eyebrow Cushion, and this is a really cool product as well. I did use it today, so you guys will see me using it coming up pretty soon. So this is from Iconic London. It's the Eyebrow Cushion. Give your brows the wow they deserve with Iconic Sculpt and Boost Eyebrow Cushion, and it retails for 40 bucks. $40? Oh, that's pretty expensive. I didn't realize this was $40. It has a really, really cute packaging. I was super excited to try this on because I thought it was really cute. But this is so cool. It's such a neat product, and I will show you guys in a few seconds me putting it on. And then the next product that we got, guys, is from Morphe. So I want to show you guys this. It is the 15N Night Master. So there was 4 different variations of this box that you can get. I'm so happy I got this one. This is actually the palette I wanted. I wanted the Night Master. I saw the other ones and I said if I get any of the other ones, it'll just go in a giveaway. Yeah, I used it on my eyes today. You guys will see that coming up, but yeah, this is super exciting. Let me read to you guys what it says. This is from Morphe. It's the 15 Shade Artistry Palette. Indulge in infinite eye looks. The mirrored palette features 15 crazy creamy, powerfully pigment shades, and it retails for $16. And yeah, guys, I'm super excited to show you guys how I use this palette today and give you guys my thoughts in just a few seconds. So yeah, this was a really cool palette. So the next products that we got in here are one of my favorite brush brands. You guys do know I am affiliate with Moda brushes, and if you guys use my code GLAMRANCH, you guys get 10% off any of your purchases from Moda. And we got Moda brushes inside of this box, and I'm really excited. I love the quality. These are really, really good brushes. These are super lightweight, like metallic-y brushes, and we got 2 of them. These are the Moda brushes Power and Soft Glow Kit. It says your new 2-piece Moda Power and Soft Glow Kit is the ultimate dynamic duo, and they retail for $29.99. So yeah, I like Moda brushes. I really think that the quality of the bristles are so soft, and yeah, I did use both of these today, and I'll show you guys in a few seconds how I use them. But yeah, super excited about this product as well. The last item that we have in here is actually from Becca. It's actually a lipstick, and I know that Becca had just released these lipsticks, and I was actually going to buy one, and so I'm so happy it came in Boxyluxe. And the color is outstanding. I love the color that we received as well. Like I said, they really did good with picking colors for this box. So this is the Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love, a moisturizing 8-hour long wearing silky satin lip color that's infused with hyaluronic acid. It retails for $24, and the packaging is super sturdy. The cap on it like magnetically closes for you. It is such a high quality product. I love the way it feels on my lips too, guys. I'm gonna be getting right into that, but that is the entire box that we got. I am going to throw right up here the entire amount that this whole box cost if you guys were to have to buy these products individually. Honestly, guys, a fantastic box this month. I am so excited with it, but let's get really quickly into the application of the products, and I'm going to tell you guys how I applied them as well as my thoughts. The iconic London eyebrow cushion. So using this, I was actually a little bit nervous when I first saw the color of the cushion in here. I thought, uh-oh, is that going to match me? And it said medium, and I was like, maybe I'm supposed to be like dark because of my eyebrows and my hair's so dark. But no, the medium worked really, really awesome. What I did is I applied the darkest tone to the outer part of my eyebrows, and as I got closer to the center, I started using the lighter tone. I like this product. This product applied really, really easily. I've never applied a cushion eyebrow product in my life, and I did have to use this little kind of device that they included in here because I didn't have one. And it applied so nice and smooth, and I feel like my eyebrows look natural. They're a little darker than I'm used to, but I do feel like my eyebrows look pretty nice. I actually really like this product. I think it worked really, really nice. And actually the little pencil thing in here, like the little device that it has to put it on, it worked really good too. So then let's talk about the Morphe palette. Oh my God. Okay guys, so you guys know I just finished putting up a Morphe review on one of the Bronze Goals palettes, and this is the 15N Night Slayer. I do feel like there's parts of this formula that are similar to the other Morphe palettes, but I love the mattes in here. They blended so good. The shimmers, almost the same problem that I have, the metallic-y shades, as I always have like lately with Morphe palettes. I don't think that they work that amazing unless you use your finger, but I'm gonna tell you guys how I came up with this eye look. All I did was jump into this lightest shade right here in the palette to kind of like set down my Fenty concealer that I put on my eyes. Then after I did that, I jumped into this color right here, which is called Selfie. And using Selfie, I kind of just went into the crease and focused it more to the outer edge of my eye. Kind of wanted it to kind of do like a effect. So then after I did that, blended it up, what I did was I grabbed into this color right here called Cliché. Now I really wanted a little bit of a pinky tone to my eye because I knew I was going to grab into the purples. Like that was just like where I was going. You see this and you're like, hello purples. So I grabbed into the pinky tone, focused it mostly in the crease and kind of blew it out this way as well. Blended it out as good as I can. I feel like these mattes blended really, really well. I didn't really have any issue blending these mattes at all, and they did a really, really pretty effect. So then I grabbed into this color Scene. Now I knew that this could have been the make or break color because it's a dark color and it could go haywire. If this color doesn't blend, everything will go downhill. So I focused it mostly on the outer edge, blended it together, kind of blew it out this way. After I got a nice little shape going, I kind of did like a V shape, kind of going from the inner corner all the way to the outer edge. That's kind of just giving me like that kind of like look that I was going for. I don't even know, what is this? I don't know. This is like the kind of thing what I was going for. So then I kind of like blended that out as much as I could. This cliche shade is probably the one that I use the most to blend. Then I just tried grabbing a little bit of Excuse Me and kind of just like patting it over the dark purple. I wanted to give it a little bit of shine. I don't think that did too much of a difference because like I said, I don't feel like these metallics are like that impactful. But then to kind of finish off the look, I grabbed this color Creativity right here, and that was what I wanted to put in the inner portion of my eye. I tried putting it on with a dry brush. No way, no go. I tried spraying the brush. I felt like it got very crumbly when I sprayed the brush, and when I put it on, I felt like I got crumbly all over the place and it was kind of annoying. Used my finger and I felt like that was the best application. It went on the best. It gave the most impact. I don't feel like these metallics stand out that much at all. Then I just highlighted the inner corner with this color called Unique. And it's really not that unique, to be honest, guys. A lot prettier in the swatch than it is on the eye. I didn't think it did like that much of a beautifulness. I did only use it in the inner corner. I just thought it was going to be a little bit more. But I actually really like this palette. I feel like the mattes in here were the standouts, and I really like the palette because a lot of them are mattes. There's just a few metallics in here, and the metallics that are in here do work if you use your fingers. So I was really happy with the look I came out with, so I really like this palette. I feel like it is a lot better quality wise than the last palette that I just bought from Morphe, the Bronze Golds, but I really like this palette, so that was pretty exciting. Then finally I used these products here. Actually thinking of using this to set my lid, and I'm so happy I didn't because there is a little shimmer in it. So I went ahead and bronzed up my face as usual, and then I used this contour shade. Oh, love it. The contour shade was so good. Gave me a really nice contour line. I think it's a really good color. This would probably be a really good bronzer as well, but it looks really nice as a contour, so I really like it. Then I went ahead and used both of these different highlighters. I like this rose gold one better than I like this one. They're both very pretty. This one gives you more of a natural highlight. I feel like this one was more impactful, which I thought it was going to be the opposite way, but no. And they look really pretty. I'm really excited about these two. Then I used this brightening shade right here, and I did apply that to the bottom of my eyebrow, and I think that that was such a beautiful brightening shade. I love the way it looks underneath the brow bone. I think it was a great brow bone highlight. And then finally I did use this blush, and the blush is a beautiful pink color. I am absolutely in shock with how much I actually like this palette. This palette was beautiful. It blended seamlessly. It looks beautiful on the skin. Every single one of the colors that I used, I am very in love with. So yeah, this was a great addition to the Boxyluxe. This was actually pretty damn fantastic. So for the brushes, I used this brush right here to apply regular powder all over the face. And then for this brush, this is the only one that I'm like, I'm not really sure what I'm going to use you for. This is not going to be a good highlighter brush for me because it's not going to give me too much highlight. It's too flimsy to hold highlight, so it's just not going to work for me. Now for removing bake or powder underneath the eyes, or if you have fallout, I think that this could be great for that because it's so soft. I would like to use this underneath the eyes. I tried putting a little powder on it and trying to set my under eyes. I don't like it to set the under eyes, so it does work a lot better to remove powder under the eyes or any fallout. So that's probably what I will be using this brush for. The final product that I did try on today was this Becca lipstick. Guys, this color not only is a beautiful color, this color here is called Taupe. It's such a gorgeous color, but I love this formula. It feels so silky on the lips. I feel like it gave me nice pigment. I feel like it's super comfortable. Obviously, we're going to see how long it wears, but right now I actually really like the Becca formula, and I am so excited to see more lip products from this brand. And I will tell you, I almost didn't buy this lipstick because I said, well, I'm not sure. And then I'm so happy it came in Boxyluxe because I will be able to tell you guys, I think that this is a fantastic lipstick as of right now. It's so comfortable, so beautiful, so opaque. I love the formula. It's not matte. It doesn't feel drying. It looks so pretty on the lips. So perfect spring color, guys. I love this box. This was a fantastic spring box. I think everything that we got in here was well worth the money. I think it was a beautiful, beautiful, awesome box. I am so happy, guys. This was 100% yes. If you guys still want to get this box, I'm not sure if it's still available, but if it is, don't forget, I always put in the description box my link to Boxycharm. If you guys want to use it to sign up, that's awesome. It will be down in the description box. But yeah, super excited. I think this was a fantastic month. I think it might have been better than last month, and I thought last month was really, really good. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys really enjoyed the video. If you guys did, don't forget to give me those thumbs up, leave me your comments below, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!